And as you can see, the Great Miami River is pretty flooded. Right along here would be a bike trail, which I've done several videos on. So this entire bank right here is usually a park area, but as you see today, it's all flooded. And moving pretty rapidly. The Great Miami River, it flows south to Cincinnati, to the Ohio River, from the Ohio River to the Mississippi. But yeah, as you can see, it's pretty flooded. I'll try to extend the selfie stick here, maybe we'll get a better view.